Camerah H stands for Camera High Level. It's going to be built on top of VP0 and VP1. We have some disallowed macros we've added to the code here, or disallowed constants. Here we have some constants for a thing called the zero basis, ZEB. And these constants are going to tell the camera, what do you consider a neutral camera that is neither zoomed in nor zoomed out? For example, maybe a camera whose VP1 viewport is exactly the size of a hotel, maybe that's a neutral camera that's neither zoomed in nor zoomed out. Or maybe if the camera rectangle is exactly the size of a level, that is neither zoomed in nor zoomed out. We'll be able to swap between these to change the camera behavior for better tile editing. And also, we need to resolve the proportions of the camera somehow by either inscribing, outscribing, or not scribing. And not scribing will leave the renderer warped as it currently is. We have a big rant on what Z-basis is here. You can pause if you want to read that. We have some more rants, and then we have this circumdiagram. So here is a Z-basis, maybe it's a tile or something, and here is the on-screen viewport. We need to somehow scale the data viewport to be proportional to this, while still being in size related to this somehow. So we can inscribe like this, or we can outscribe like this, or we can choose to do nothing. And this is what we did in this tutorial. You can get the code here. You have been on the faster playlist. This is video 108, Camerah H, part 1. Like and subscribe.